Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create visual sales report in JotForm and turn your form submissions into easy to understand charts and graphs. This is a great way to quickly analyze your data without manually going through spreadsheets. Let's get started. I'm currently inside my JotForm dashboard, and for this example, I have already created a form with some sample order data. This allows us to generate meaningful reports and visualize the information more clearly. To create a report, find your form, click the More button, and then select Create Report. You will see several report options available, including visual reports, digest emails, Excel reports, HTML reports, and more. For this tutorial, we are going to select Visual Reports. After clicking Visual Reports, you will see a few different report layouts. You will see Start from Scratch, Extended Report, and a Compact Report. Start from Scratch gives you a blank canvas where you can build the entire report manually. Extended Report creates a larger report with more charts and additional data sections. For this tutorial, I am choosing Compact Report because it's the quickest way to automatically generate charts using the data already collected in the form. Let's click Create. As soon as the report loads, JotForm automatically organizes your form submissions into visual reports and charts. You can view customer information, email addresses, product ordered, and other data collected through your form. If there is any information that isn't useful for your report, you can simply remove it. One of the most useful features of JotForm reports is the ability to turn raw submission data into visual charts. Instead of scrolling through rows of information, you can quickly identify trends and understand your data at a glance. For example, if you are collecting product orders, you can instantly see which product are selling the most and compare them visually. By default, your report may display data using a line chart. Line chart works well when you are tracking data over longer periods such as weekly, monthly, or yearly sales. However, if you want to compare product more clearly, you can switch it to different chart types. Simply click on the chart and choose the style that works best for your data. You can switch between bar chart, pie charts, donut charts, and column charts. A bar chart is great for comparing products side by side. A pie chart or donut chart makes it easy to understand percentages and distribution. You can also customize the appearance of your report, change colors, show or hide percentages, adjust labels, sort data, edit chart titles, change font sizes, and customize the overall look of the report. This makes it easy to create professional looking reports that are easier to understand and share with your team. If you need additional report, click Add Element on the left side. You will find different report elements and form fields that can be dragged directly into the report. For example, you can create one chart showing product sales, another chart showing customer responses, and another chart showing payment related information. So this allows you to build a complete dashboard using the data already collected in your form. And that's how you can turn your form submissions into visual reports and charts inside JotForm. If you like to try JotForm, you will find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video.